That are on the way for us.
Yeah, some of the coolest temperatures we've seen in the afternoons, at least since a month or two ago.
Wow.
Yeah, so we're gonna have some nice cooler afternoons for a few days. That also means we're kicking the humidity to the curb. That is a good thing, but we will have to deal with a couple of warmer days, much like today, for at least the foreseeable future through the first part of this weekend. This afternoon, we topped out at 91. We started off this morning in the mid and low 70s, so definitely that summertime feel outside as soon as you step out of the door. Temperatures right now in the 80s towards the coast, upper 90s further inland. Freer sitting at 97, and you can see a lot of those onshore winds bringing in humidity, making it feel slightly warmer than we actually are. Thankfully, it only feels like we're in the 80s here in Corpus Christi, but it does feel pretty warm, if not just flat out hot out towards the brush country. Freer feels like they're at 101. Here's those winds I've been mentioning, very gusty here in Corpus Christi right now. We've got a gust of 44 miles per hour. Everywhere else generally between 20 and 30 miles per hour, so that is pretty breezy comparatively, and that's the highest wind gust we've seen all day long. Our current wind speeds are sustained at 35 miles per hour, so an additional 10 miles per hour on top of that is where our gusts are currently sitting. If you have trash day tomorrow, make sure it's secured or put it out right when they get it, bring it right back in. It may get knocked over. If not, dumped all the way into your neighbor's yard. Winds are going to be pretty breezy tomorrow afternoon. Still sustained winds 20 to 30 miles per hour like we're seeing right now, with those gusts upwards of 40. So here's a look at those hourly wind gusts. We've got those wind gusts getting to about 40 miles per hour throughout most of the afternoon. And again, that direction is going to be onshore, so continually replenishing that humidity and keeping us quite warm, not only in the mornings, but through the afternoons as well. It's going to feel like we're at about 90, upper 90s to low 100s tomorrow afternoon, thanks to that humidity. And you can see that humidity tomorrow morning. We've got clouds, the moisture, all of that keeping those morning temperatures in the 70s, but more sunshine tomorrow afternoon, hopefully, even with those stronger winds, temperatures getting into the 90s, a little bit warmer out towards the brush country, mid and upper 90s compared to us right around 90 here in Corpus Christi. Now heading into Saturday, we'll see a dry line ahead of the cold front. That brings a prefrontal wind shift as well as the chance for a few showers on Saturday during the day and even into the evening as that nears the coast and that cold front slides down in here. We could see a little boost in the activity, and temperatures on Saturday still pretty warm in the 80s, but we'll see a nice big drop heading into the end of the weekend. So temperatures again, the coolest possibly in the afternoons that we've been since the end of February. I know I'm looking forward to it, especially with that lower humidity after the week that we've had. And sweater weather is in the forecast for a couple of mornings. Temperatures around the 50-degree mark through Tuesday and into the 50s still heading into later next week, but warming up gradually. 90 tomorrow afternoon. Again, it's going to feel a little bit warmer. We're sunny and windy in the afternoon, especially. Sunday looks really nice once we get that cold front through here. It will still be on the breezy side, but heading into next week looks absolutely gorgeous weather here in the coastal bend.
Hey, we'll take it. No complaints over here. All right, Kristen, thank you so much.